We're the Salty Badgers and we're in charge of salinization. You may be asking yourself, what is salinization? Well, our friend Izzy here is gonna tell you what it is.
Salinization is the process by which water-soluble salts accumulate in the soil. Salinization is a resource concern because excess salts hinder the growth of crops by limiting their ability to take up water. See, it really is a problem. But what can cause it? Well, Temmie here is an expert on that.
Salinization occurs wherever the following conditions occur together: the presence of soluble salts such as sulfates of sodium, calcium, and magnesium, a high water table, a high rate of evaporation, and a low rainfall.
That was informative. Now that we know how it happens and the concerns it raises, what else can we do? Connor can help explain that.
Salts in the soil increase the efforts of plants to absorb water. Not very many plants are able to grow in soils that are heavily salinated, so for specific areas, cropping is limited.
Situations, you can take a few measures. Monitor the groundwater levels and the amount of salt in the land and water. You also want to make sure that the salt doesn't reach the surface of the water. And to stop further loss of deep-rooted but native vegetation, you want to make sure that you monitor the amount of groundwater in that area.
There are two ways to prevent this. The first is called a recharge area, and you can do this by managing the area contributing water excess to the soil. The second is discharge area, and you can do this by managing the area where the excess water comes to the surface.
Now, see, you're a salty badger too!